In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name on Cash App. It's a quick process, and you can update it whenever you want. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. On your profile page, you'll see your display name near the top. To make changes, scroll down and tap Edit Profile. Here, you'll see options for your full name and your cash tag. Your full name is what shows up as your display name. Just tap it, delete the current one, and type in the new name you want. Unlike the cash tag, which you can only change a limited number of times, your display name can be updated as often as you'd like. When you're finished, tap Save at the bottom. Back on your profile, you'll see your updated display name. And if you want to check how it looks to others, you can tap Preview. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can change your display name on Cash App and make sure it's exactly how you want people to see you. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees, moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below